Hey you guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be cleaning up my filthy bedroom. I'm jumping right in with getting my bed together. I typically like to use my bed as a catch-all, so the clothes that you see at the head of my bed, or the foot of my bed rather, it needs to be folded. These are clean clothes, and y'all come at me if you want. I know I have a pile of clean clothes on my floor. That's so cringy, but it is what it is. I digress. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but the brand of sheets that I am just absolutely in love with is made by Target. I believe this is a part of the Casaluna line. I love these sheets. They're Dolan Forest on the corners, which cause for them not to slide. It takes some very distinctive actions in order to get these things up. Y'all know what I mean? For the longest time, out of pure laziness growing up, I would never make my bed and then put the fitted sheet, and then the flat sheet. The flat sheet had to go. I was not about to waste my time doing this. But for some reason, for one reason, my husband, but for the second reason, I can't imagine myself living without the flat sheet anymore. And I'm gonna reflect that with age. Let me know if you guys use the flat sheet as well as the fitted sheet. Obviously, I'm hoping everyone uses a fitted sheet. But let me know if you use your flat sheet, or is this just, it's just if is this a true preference or necessary? Obviously, it's a preference, but let me know if you use it. I know you guys are coming from my pillow, and it should. They're raggedy. Yes, trash. I need to invest in some high quality pillows. Let me know what you guys use. Moving on to my comforter. You guys, this is also by the Casaluna brand from Target. I love that brand. It's amazing. But this one is a weighted comforter. It's very heavy. It's a beast to wash. Therefore, I usually take it to the cleaner to get it washed. But yeah, this thing is the truth. I absolutely love it. Keeps me nice and warm, and it stays in place. You know, that rollover situation most couples go through? This thing don't budge. They don't look that bad once fluffed, right? And they get covered up by my decorative pillows. You guys, truth be told, I am a little bit bored with my setup, so yes, a change is a coming. I am tired of this color, this color palette, and I changed minute portions of my room. It's never like huge changes. I'm just ready to see something new here, you know? Did I have to add my decorative throw? No, because I am basically about to ruin this beautiful setup by putting all my clean clothes here. I'm using my bed as my little table setup to fold all of the laundry. I'm going to carry on and do that portion later though. I told y'all, my room is filthy. Yes, that is my curly wing on the floor next to a towel, next to a clutch. This had to be after the weekend because y'all, y'all, don't judge me. If your room never looked like this, you hadn't lived. Hope you guys appreciate the very realness of this clean with me because I've been living like a pig for the weekend. Yes, that's like 2 meals and iced coffee on my nightstand. It is what it is. I seriously blame McDonald's for all of the undrinking iced coffees. They just weren't good. I guess I'm just bougie now. McDonald's iced coffee is no longer for me. I've grown up. So my dresser ends up being a catch-all for trash, and I had to go get help from Alana to go get me a trash bag so I can just, throw as much stuff away as heavenly possible. Of course, Babe's side was just as bad as my side. We ate the same thing, so likewise, yeah, he just drinks more than me, so his nightstand is a lot more full. than mine was. My babe also likes condiments, so as you can see, we had a good old weekend. Him and I acting as if we were college sweethearts, cause kind of were. High school sweethearts is what I meant to say, cause we were not. But yeah, we just had a good weekend. Now I have to, clean up. There goes my babe. So cute. It is finally time to fold these clothes. I honestly feel like it's taken so long to get to this point, but we are here. Yes, yes, yes. A lot of this stuff is babe stuff and then white towels. So, yeah, if you notice, I generally do not put babe's clothes away. Shame on me, but whatever. That's how we do it. I fold them and I leave them on top of our dresser and I let him put them away when he gets the chance to. That's how we do it, and it works for us. Usually, when I clean, I have to listen to something. I don't know why I didn't choose to listen to music on this particular day. However, I decided to watch old episodes, of course, old episodes of Greenleaf. I've watched this whole series before, but something compelled me to start rewatching it. And yeah, I just kind of been having it on in my background. I don't have to pay attention to it because I already know what's going to happen. I just, not me actually stopping and turning around to see what's going on. Oh, this is a sad part, y'all. It made my feelings hurt. Folding the towels are always my favorite part. Like you can have all the other laundry. I lie because I like the scents of the other laundry because bleach and all stuff go into the whites. I just really love the white fold. It's like it appeases my OCD. It's so beautifully aesthetic. Everything else is like weird. I mean, I guess when I fold husband's clothes, most of his stuff is the same, so it's like you know, tiered beautifully. But like when I fold my clothes, I don't get the same feeling. And I be missing that feeling. I get it every time I fold whites. I'm just saying. Not all camera angles are good camera angles. And now you guys have to suffer. My apologies for the low lighting. It's very dark. Yeah. Anyways, we're just gonna continue to fold until, I understand or see that this is a bad choice. Wonder how long this is gonna take. I generally rely on natural lighting, so maybe it was just dark outside as though I was so dark in the room because it literally cleared itself. That's going to be it for this time, guys. Until next time, peace.